A painting you can be really proud of, and it's within reach even if you're a beginner. Welcome to Startup Project Watercolor Still Life. I'm Mary Murphy. Building on the basics from Startup Library, we'll work step by step to develop your skills, and we'll end up with a stunning still life. I'll teach you how to see your reference as an artist so you can create the colors, values, and shadows that you desire. We'll explore techniques for painting tricky textures and rendering forms. I'll help you take advantage of your paints by highlighting key characteristics like transparency and granulation. And then I'll show you how to mix colors to build your still life in beautiful, transparent layers. By the time we're finished, you'll have developed the next step as an artist, and you'll have created a mature watercolor painting that you can proudly display. I'm so happy you've decided to join me for this startup project. This is a follow-up to the Startup Library, so if you're ever feeling like you need a little more detailed instruction on the basics, please feel free to reference that class as a refresher. It's important to remember that every painter is unique, so I might do things a little differently than what you're used to, but I'd encourage you to explore techniques and practices from many artists so you can decide what works best for you.